Kaizer Chiefs has a lot of games in hand in this 2026 season. We are going to see Kaizer Chiefs facing Stellenbosch in Nedbank Cup, but we know Stellenbosch is our daily food. But sometimes Stellenbosch is very rude. Yeah, we know it very well. And then there is this guy Ntwari. I don't know what happened to Kaizer Chiefs, or it's because of his performance or what. But to be honest, on my side, I was not happy with the Ntwari when I started to see him the first time when he was the goalkeeper in Kaizer Chiefs. When Abu Peterson they were in bench, ngavele ngatshela amajita ngathi hayi ngeke la bafowethu. Kaizer Chiefs kumele iqale ukubheka kahle goalkeeper. Then we started to see Peterson performing ngathi thank you very much. And then which is late. I think Kaizer Chiefs sometimes we have to be patient with them. Sometimes they know what they are doing, sometimes they messed up. They mess up things. But in Cheslate, I think the guy is ready. I think babonile ukuthi ithi singamfakeli pressure. Let's just get him into abe kule position ukuthi mayeqala abafowethu edlala amagame angeke aze athola ama-injury. They wanted to make sure about him first. And then as I told you guys ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs the plan is to bring the players from ETDC, and which is sometimes as fans I understand we complain about them buying players, but when you see them bringing such players to Kaizer Chiefs, you can see ukuthi sometimes you don't need to buy players because you do have players. I understand ukuthi people they believe with some quality players you can only buy them, but sometimes you can bring them quality players from ETDC yakho, and then you end up winning the games. Uyabona gcina lelo player selifuneka kuyo yonke indawo sebalifuna ngapha nangapha. So Kaizer Chiefs I hope ukuthi bringing these boys, they're not going to just bring them and then bazohlala ebenchini. They are coming to work. Babanikeze ithuba babonise italent.